Welcome to Soul Haven. If you're new to meditation, this is the perfect place to start. Meditation can feel mysterious at first, but really, it's very simple. It's not about emptying your mind or stopping your thoughts. Instead, it's about learning to notice what's happening inside you and gently guiding your focus. In this session, we'll use the breath as our anchor. Why the breath? Because it's always with you. It connects your mind and your body, and when you bring awareness to it, you naturally begin to calm your nervous system and quiet the busy mind. So find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your back supported or lying down somewhere you can fully relax. Let your hands rest gently in your lap or by your sides. When you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale, filling your lungs, and release, letting the body soften. One more time, breathing in deeply and slowly letting go. Allow your breath now to return to its natural rhythm, flowing in and out on its own. Notice the weight of your body being supported. Feel the gentle pull of gravity holding you steady. There's nothing to do, nothing to achieve. Just being here is enough. In meditation, the mind will wander. That's normal. It's what minds do. The practice is simply noticing when you've drifted into thought and gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Each time you return, you're strengthening your ability to focus and to stay calm, like exercising a muscle. So, whenever you notice your thoughts wandering, congratulate yourself first for noticing, and then kindly return to the next breath. Begin now to focus on your breathing. Notice where you feel it most clearly. Perhaps it's in the cool air at the tip of your nose, or maybe the rise and fall of your chest, or the gentle movement of your belly. Choose one place and rest your attention there. Feel the inhale, the pause, and the exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let your breath be your anchor. Always steady, always here. If your mind drifts away into plans, worries, or daydreams, that's okay. Notice where it went and then bring it back to the breath. Each time you return, you're practicing awareness. You're training the mind to be present. Breathing in, you feel calm. Breathing out, you release tension. Breathing in, you feel present. Breathing out, you let go. As you sit here with your breath, notice how even a few minutes of focus can create a sense of calm. Breath awareness is a powerful tool you can carry into daily life. It can help you ease stress at work, calm your nerves before sleep, or simply give you a pause in the middle of a busy day. Remember, meditation isn't about doing it perfectly. It's about returning. Each breath is a fresh start. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the ground beneath you, the space around you, and the sense of calm within you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this awareness with you through your day, knowing you can always return to your breath anytime you need calm, focus, or peace. Thank you for joining this meditation with Soul Haven.